Hello, my name is Mathieu. I am Sales and Marketing Manager of Outremer Yachting, and we are visiting now the Outremer 59, which is called Outremer 5X. This boat is a pure sailor. It's the most dedicated boat for blue water sailing, which is a state-of-the-art multi-hull. 59 foot long, but she weighs only 13 tons. So that's the kind of boat which sails faster than the wind speed. With 10 knots of wind, it's not unusual to have a speed in excess of 12 knots. We have dagger boards, we have sin and narrow hulls, but still plenty of accommodation. And the boat is a very, very great pleasure to sail. The mainsail is 126 square meters, and the foresail is we could have a self-tacking jib, but on this boat the owner preferred to go with the Genoa, the classic Genoa. So the Genoa is 70 square meters, and the boat is conceived, everything is designed to be able to sail the boat single-handed with a very short crew. The architect of the boat is Marc van Peteghem and Vincent Loriot-Prévost, which are the most famous multi-hull designer for many years. The exterior design was made by Patrick Lequément, the head of design at Renault for many years and 7 times the best European designer. And the interior design is from Franck Darnay. And this boat, the 5X, was granted the European Boat of the Year in 2013 and Best of Boat of the Year in the USA in 2014. She's a pure pleasure to sail. This boat was designed, the deck plan was designed by Michel Desjoyaux, so the boat is really optimized for the best performance. You can trigger every sails very perfectly. Going through the deck is very simple. The passages are very wide. We have 2 helm stations on the coach roof, which is the best way to go to have a perfect view all over the boat. From there you can see the 4 corners, which is the best option if you want to maneuvering in a tight place and crowded harbors. That's very important to have view all over the boat. But we have 2 helm stations with 2 engine controls as well, so you can deal everything from there. All winches are electric, so you can be operating everything by yourself. But the key feature on this boat is the tiller. We have a very nice seat, a very comfortable chair with a tiller there, and it's incredible to see how pleasant it can be to sail that kind of boat, just like a big hobbycat or some fun boat, very light. Even when you're sailing at 15 knots, you still have a good touch on the helm. With the dagger boards, you can optimize the balance of the boat when going downwind, so the boat is always a pleasure to steer and very simple. The cockpit is very big. We can be 15 people around there with a nice lounge area. The solid bimini gives shelters, and the boat can have full enclosure around the cockpit. Let's get inside. Here the saloon is pretty wide and accommodate up to 8 or 10 people around the table, which can be enlarged. All over the saloon you have a perfect visibility all over the boat on a 360 wherever you are. For example, on the chart table, looking forward for a better visibility where you are going. You keep a very good watch throughout the boat. with remote control for the autopilot and then at the nav station. The galley is very large with a U-shaped design, double sink, 3 burners, oven, dishwasher, and plenty of lockers, microwave integrated. Lots of things are customizable. The owner of this one asked for extra drawers. There we have a tray we can take out. On this side we have 2 very wide fridges, which are about 2 feet wide, 1 foot long, and very easy access to the cockpit, which is on the same level. Let's get into the owner's hull on port side. We just have 1 double cabin there, with plenty of lockers and a very large bathroom forward. There we can close this sliding door for more privacy and access to all the lockers. Hanging lockers, plenty of space. We even have some space under the floors. There we have the case of the dagger board, which is really on the side and which is not in the way and doesn't take too much room. Washing machine is there. And a very large bathroom in the front. We have plenty of headroom. I'm 6'2", and as you can see, I still have lots of inches above my head. On starboard, we have a hull dedicated to the guests, with 1 or 2 cabins. On this particular boat, we have a double aft and 2 single berths forward. The mattresses are 2 meters long and 1.6 meters wide. Small bathroom there with just a basin and the shower. And the head is forward. On the side, as you can see, we have shelves which are used for strengthening the hull, but also for extra storage. There is a head and a basin. And forward we have 2 single berths. And an office which also can be used as a working area. Air conditioning throughout the boat. This is the escape hatches, which are accessible while taking out the step. The access on the coach roof is very easy, and the mainsail is also easily accessible. You see, it's not very high, so you've got perfect access if you need to trigger the sail or even to close the bag. In conclusion, I would say that we designed boat to be operated with a very short crew for serious sailing, long distance sailing in very remote places, with a boat which would be as performing as possible, but also very easy to operate and very reliable. If you want to have a test by yourself on this fantastic boat and see in the boatyard how we build this beast, please contact us. Don't hesitate to contact us. We will be happy to accommodate any needs, particularly on this boat, and to have even a test sail if possible. Thank you.